Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to replace the cabin filter on Mitsubishi Outlander. The cabin filter is located behind the glove box, so first we need to remove the glove box and we'll have access to the cabin filter. The glove box has to be pushed on the two sides so that it can release from your plastic and it will fall down. And here is the cabin filter housing, just there behind this plastic cover. This is the cabin filter, so we remove the cabin filter, put on the new cabin filter. Make sure the airflow of the new cabin filter is exactly the same as this one. The airflow should point down. After putting on the new cabin filter, we assemble everything in the reverse way. Thank you for watching. If the video is useful, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you.